The coin market cap is used to summarize everything that is said in this movie. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my station to get more XRP news and news about cryptocurrencies in general. Look at this now. Waves as Japanese banks start to use XRP for cross-border payments. Alderati takes the SEC to task. Stuart Alderati of Ripple says that the SEC only has power over security trades and not just selling assets. He says that the SEC is going too far. Japan's banks will start using XRP by 2025. This will make sending money back home and sending money across borders easier while also lowering prices for users. As XRP becomes more useful in Japan, it may become more widely accepted around the world. This could help more people get access to banking services and blockchain technology solutions. During the year 2025, Stuart Alderodi, who is the top legal officer at Ripple, might change the way cryptocurrency laws work. A lot of attention was paid to the fact that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission version does not cover the sale of assets. Because of what he said, the SEC's stance on cryptocurrencies is called into question. Alderodi brought up the point that the SEC is not allowed to sell something like a gold bar without making any promises. Besides that, he said the idea that cryptocurrencies can change from being securities to not being securities was not based on any real evidence. He said that there is no formal support for this idea. One thing that Alderodi says the SEC does that has upset people in the cryptocurrency business is regulation by enforcement. If Paul Atkins, a candidate who is known for supporting businesses, wins the election, this strategy may change in a big way. How XRP is becoming more useful in Japan. When XRP is added to Japan's financial systems in 2025, things will change. The country's banks are getting ready for this. XRP from Ripple will be used by about 80% of all Japanese institutions because it makes foreign payments and transfers easier. Chief Executive Officer of SBI Group Yoshitaka Kitayo is very sure that XRP can be used in real life. Kaya was told about how Ripple is being used more and more in it. He talked about how well the platform works for sending money between countries and how valuable XRP is compared to Bitcoin. He said that real demand was the main thing that made the difference. It is expected that this integration will make it easier to do business across foreign borders and cut customers' costs by a large amount. The world financial system will be affected in a bigger way. Japan's decision to accept XRP could make other countries and groups think about doing the same. The lower costs of sending money back to family and friends will also help Japan's large population of expats. Making transfers easier would also help a lot with financial inclusion, especially for people who aren't getting enough help now. Western countries are also trying to improve their laws about cryptocurrencies and are also looking into blockchain-based financial solutions at the same time. This alignment might make big investors want to put money into XRP and get more people to use it. These new developments have made it possible for Ripple to become an important part of the global financial system environment. The court decision for Ripple made people more confident in the cryptocurrency by showing that XRP is not a security on public markets. When a stablecoin comes out that requires XRP to be used for blockchain transactions, the demand for it may go up. A lot of people in the business world think that as Ripple's blockchain grows, XRP could hit new highs within the next year. Since 2020, Ripple has been in a long-running court battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). The SEC says that Ripple is selling securities that have not been registered due to the disagreement, which caused long-lasting uncertainty and kept the value of the cryptocurrency below $1 for almost 3 years. A court ruled in August 2024 that XRP is not a security when it is exchange on exchange, which was a partial victory for Ripple. Even though Ripple had to pay a $125 million fine for selling its coin to other owners, the decision made buyers feel better and caused the value of the cryptocurrency to rise. Because of this, the SEC filed an appeal of the ruling, which will be looked at in January 2025. It's still not clear what will happen with XRP in the future. On the other hand, Gary Gensler's planned exit as SEC chair in the early years of 2025 has raised hopes for a less strict regulatory environment. Ripple has created technology that makes XRP more useful in the market. According to the company, its improvements in blockchain technology have opened up new uses for XRP. These changes are expected to make more people want to buy XRP. The launch of Ripple stablecoin, a stablecoin that can be used on both Ethereum and the XRP ledger, is likely to be one of the most important events. Users may become more interested in this coin as more people use Ripple's blockchain ecosystem. This is because transaction fees can only be made in XRP. Ripple's membership in the Swaps and Derivatives Association, a well-known organization around the world, has also strengthened its place as a major player in the mainstream of finance. As a result of these changes, experts have made predictions about how the coin will continue to grow. Some of these predictions say that its prices will finally reach levels that have never been seen before. The company may be able to strengthen its place in the financial world even more by focusing on making its blockchain more useful. Buyers look forward to market growth. XRP is picking up speed. The token's value has recently spiked after staying below $1 for a long time. This has led many to expect a major breakthrough in the near future. The current path of XRP seems to follow this trend, as stated by the market, which said that long times of accumulation often come before big rallies. A seasoned dealer named Peter Brandt has noticed that the recent change in the token's price could be seen as a clear breakout from a large coil, which means there is room for growth. Also, the fact that blockchain technology is widely used and the growing number of partnerships it has made support the idea that it will reach a new all-time high by 2025. The market is waiting to see what will happen with Ripple, and the January date for CC appeals is making XRP less valuable. For what reason do you think XRP will fall below $1.50? The IOI's investigation into CC conflicts of interest might speed up Ripple's decision to drop its appeal, which would change the direction of XRP. People who are taking profits are pulling $287 million out of the BTCF market. This is called bearish sentiment, and it needs to be reversed. As the time runs out for the SEC's appeal, what will happen next? The main story on Monday was still the case between the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple. December 30th, because January 15th is getting close, which is when the SEC's opening brief for the appeal is due. The main choice about the programmatic sales of XRP is being questioned in this appeal. It was July 2023, and Judge Annalise Sotoris said that coded coin sales did not meet the third part of the Howey test. Soon after the ruling in July 2023, U.S. cryptocurrency exchanges added XRP back to their lists. This made the asset more popular.